I want to explain you this juice dairy to produce and pasteurize juice and fill it in bottles. The seeds come into this fat and you can press it. This one is for acai seeds. You can press the pulp, the liquid out of the pulp, and then it goes to this hose. From the hose goes to the pump, and from the pump you fill the fat. It has a lid from two sides, also from the back side. You can fill the fat. If the fat is full or half full or 10% full, doesn't matter for this fat, you buy this control cabinet, you give it a temperature what you want, 80 degrees for example, 85 or 70 degrees. If this heating elements, what are in the back, it will heat up the water in the double wall, and the water in the double wall will heat up the product, the juice, inside. When you pasteurize it till the temperature you want, you connect this outlet to your cold tap water. The cold tap water flushes through the double wall, push away the hot water to the wastewater tank, and then it cools down till the temperature you want. For the acai seeds, it's not necessary to cool down because then it is a liquid. When it reaches the pasteurization temperature, I think it's around 70 degrees, you will open, and you want to fill it in bottles, you will open this valve, and the product goes through the hose. The pump is connected to a compressor, what pumps the liquid by this hose in the fat for the bottles. You can place 2 bottles or 4 or 1, whatever you want. When you open this valve, you will fill the bottles. The machine will automatically stop when the bottle is full. When you want to produce smaller bottles, the fat can go lower. When it is lower, the bottles are from 250 ml, for example. So you can fill bottles from 250 ml to 2 liters. It's important that the opening from the bottle is more than 3 centimeters. Thank you.